Hi everyone, my name is Mehmood Sheikh, and from past few videos I have been working on developing an online budget system using PHP and MySQL database. In my last video I completed the functionality of displaying all the employees who belongs to the specific department here on the right side of the dashboard. And in this video I will discuss about completing the feature of edit profile, where the department head can update their name, their email ID and upload their profile picture. The moment when the department head uploaded their profile picture, their picture started showing here on the sidebar. So before starting this feature, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends and provide support to this content and our efforts by subscribing to this channel. So now let us move on to complete this feature of updating profile. So now I'm in my edit profile PHP file, and here as you can see I have included the necessary code which is required in each and every file. And now I need to create a folder inside my project. Right click and then click on new folder, and I will give it a name as uploads. Inside this uploads folder I'm going to store the profile images, and now I will create a panel with a class of panel default and a panel heading, okay, and then a panel body. I have created a 6-column div to create a form inside it, and this form has a method attribute set to post and action attribute set to edit profile PHP file. That means I'm making a post request to the same file edit profile, and along with these two attributes I have taken an additional attribute which is enc type equals to multipart slash form data. So you should use this third attribute in your form whenever you will be trying to submit text along with the image. Next, here I have written a select query. So this select query is used to select all the data of users who is logged in. So before we allow the user to update, first we need to show their data on the form, right? That's why first we need to select the user's data from the table by using their head user ID. Next, I need to pass this query and execute, and I need to check if this query returns me some set of records. If it returns me records, then I will be iterating over those records using this while loop, and I have created an input text box of type hidden. So I'm sending the user role ID of the logged in user as a hidden information, and I have created a form group to display an input text box, okay, and inside this text box I have displayed the username. As you can see here, I have set the username to the value attribute of this text box. Similarly, I need to create one more form group and a input text box to display the email. So this code will fetch the username and email information of a user, and we are displaying those information inside the value attribute of both these text boxes. So apart from these two text boxes, we need to create a image upload button. Okay, that's what I have created here, and another form group with an input of type file, which will allow me to select the image from the system. And here I have given the accept attribute, which means I want user only to upload images of type JPG, JPEG and PNG and nothing else. And last, I have created an input submit button. Save it. Okay, let's refresh. Click on edit profile. Now you can see the form started displaying. Now the next is we need to write the PHP code. So the moment when the user updates the form and clicks on this edit profile button, a post request gets sent to the same file. That's what I need to write here. Okay, now here I'm checking if the post request is successfully been made, then I will get the username detail from the form, and I will also get the email and user role ID as well. As you can see here, this user role ID is I'm sending as a hidden field. Okay, along with the post request, username, email and user role ID will be sent here. Okay, and then apart from these three information, I'm also getting the details of image, like image name, image size and the temporary name of that image and the path inside which I'm going to store that image inside my project, and that path is uploads. As you have seen that I have created an uploads folder, so inside this uploads folder I want to store the image. And here I'm checking if user has selected the image when he or she has made the post request. Then I will be checking if the image size goes beyond this limit, then I will display a message as image file size is too large. Otherwise I will write an update SQL query, and in that update SQL query I am updating the username, email and image path of that user, where the user ID is equals to head user ID. Okay, that means the user ID of the logged in user. Next I have executed this query. Then I am moving the image inside the uploads folder by using this move uploaded file function, and I have passed two parameters like temporary name and image path. Next, the moment when the image gets moved to the uploads folder and the path of that image and the data gets updated inside the table, I want to redirect the user back to the edit profile page. Okay, now at the end I want to display this error image. So to display this error image, if that situation occurs, I have written a for each loop with which I am iterating message array to display the errors. Okay, so now let's save it and let's remove this, save it, and now let's refresh the page. Now you can see all the information related to the logged in user, who is the department head, started showing inside this text boxes, the name of the user, their email ID, and if I want to update their details, like I don't want this surname, and I will add Holland with email ID, and I will select the profile image. And now when I click on edit profile, you can see the data gets updated now, and now you can see the profile image also started showing on the left sidebar. And now let us see the table. So you can see here the user with the user ID 4, whose name is Jacob, and user role ID is 2. You can see image path is stored inside the image cell. We have successfully managed to update the profile image and other details as well. Okay, so that's all about updating the user's profile. So I'm sure you guys have understood how I have written this code and what is the purpose and meaning of each and every of this code. So that's all for this video, guys. In my next video I will discuss about some other feature, and I will see you guys in my next video. And if you like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.